Welcome to Pigeon River Farm, doing farming right. I'm Robert Brown, the owner of Pigeon River Farm. Thank you for viewing. Well, good evening. In tonight's episode, we're going to talk about something that goes way back in time in my world. I have a 1970 GMC 5500 series truck that I drove on the home farm when I was a kid. It was brand new at that time, and I had a chance to drive it in the fields and ultimately on the road. And it was very interesting. This truck was used for many, many years in the farming operation. And then over time, farm got sold, all that stuff took place, and the truck went out and somebody else bought it. Well, through a series of events, I was able to purchase the truck back. With all the years of hauling fertilizer, it was looking a little rough. But I had a dream, a vision, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to get that truck back in its original condition. And so this story goes on to the process that I took in rebuilding, and it was a pretty significant rebuild. As you can see throughout the video here, I'm going to be doing cutting, body replacement. Some of the parts were not recoverable, so I did find some salvage yard parts, but because of the vintage of the truck, it was very difficult to find anything that was rust-free. I was able to find a few pieces that you see me working on that were a little less rusty than I had. Paid good money for them. But the truck throughout last winter, so that would have been the winter of 2021-22, I worked on it in our shop and got it to the condition that you see it in at the end of the video. So I hope you really enjoy seeing the process here that it took and realize the amount of love and care that the person put in because of the memories involved. Brought back all these memories. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. We're all children of God. And I think ultimately make that right. And then they backtrack. Finally,
kind of slide into that groove as it comes down. I can give a little side pedal.
Now they have a chance to watch all the mechanical process. You can see here in these pictures that it is functioning great. It looks like new, all brand new paint on it, and it's very usable. So not only did I take this labor of love and turn it into something that is memorabilia, something that I'll enjoy. Plans are passing this on to my grandkids. Since I was 12 years old when I had a chance to drive it, I'm planning my grandson's coming in to be 12 years old, and the goal is this summer he's going to have a chance to drive the truck also. So stay tuned, we'll have that occurring. So I thank you for your time and have a most wonderful evening.